guys, it's me, the Gaming Pickle. Yes, it is me. I'm gonna talk in a deep voice today, cause in any other of my videos you get my voice wrong. Too squeaky. But anyway, let's get into the thing. Piggy build. I love bam. As you could see, it is a bunker with a modern upgrade. It has a lot of options. Codes. You get past the cars. These thingies. Through the crates, more of these thingies. Slip through or climb above. I'd rather slip through. Get past the invisible wall. Slip through. Purple. You grab that key. Bam. I put barriers on these to charge to get the fire extinguisher. There's dynamite in there. Red can, more dynamite in there. The bunker. And if you guys want to play it, just type in Dill Pickle 122. It's right there. DYLPICKLE122. That's my user. Now it's time. In my last video, I had a house map. Now I'm working on a high-tech bunker, or also known as Mr. P's Laboratory. I got this idea from Creekcraft, so go watch his channel. Anyway, let's get it. Time to find acid. Events. Acid. Now, let's let the building begin. I'll tell you when I'm ready to start the parkour. So guys, I finished the parkour. Decent. If I can even do it. Oh, no. And Rachel's not like me today, sadly. He did help me test my other two maps. He was a great man. You probably don't like my deep accent. No, you probably don't. How many times do I have to do this parkour? Guys, I can't. There's the wrench up there. The wrench, you unlock Piggy. There's gonna be an item in here. Yeah, I can find it. Lime green. Two. Da 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 da. Guys, a very hard project. If you want to do this, either watch this video or Creepcraft's live stream / video. Cause that's under. Ding 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 ding. I'm gonna. You don't spawn in this room. You spawn in like a different room above the this area or over there, over where. I don't know. I don't know. But there's gonna be like a tunnel here, and the tunnel's gonna lead up to where it's gonna be, where the players spawn. And there's gonna be a key to try and get into the tunnel. And yeah, just like knocker. I might make a Minecraft video later or tomorrow. Trying to upload more because I haven't uploaded in a long time. Vacation travel. I got back from vacation. I got back from California, the beach. And guys, I have a video uploading that's about making 2 figures with my little sister. And also check out my brother and little sister's channel, Layla BW and Maga Cougar 68. Those are the 2 names. It looks like it's time to rumble. This is the tunnel. And once you jump in, you like that. No, I'm gonna get it fixed. Hang on, I'm gonna change the color to red. Riley red. And boom. 1, 2, 4. It's gonna be a way to get up, but I don't know how. If you want me to help with stairs, don't ask me. I'm terrible with stairs. I might ask my brother on a different day if he could help me with this build. Will help me do the stairs on my computer because other people can't do it. They can't build on your map. If you join my map, you can't build like you can't build a giant piggy monster with a machine gun. No, you can't do that. On my map, it's my map. You guys can still be invited and see. And maybe you could tell me some ideas. It's not like I'm running out of ideas or anything. I'm running out of ideas. You seen that coming? And ho! Aye, but I da 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 da. Oof. Aye. mess up. Wheel. Took him away, boys. I messed up on the bill. So I'm not talking right now because I'm trying to focus on this tunnel. This is one of my first times building a map because as you can probably tell, the update's been out for like 1 day. No, actually like 2 days. Yes! Cinco burrito, I like doing first person. If you don't like first person, don't blame me. Well, sure, you can blame me all you want, but yeah. Right. So you hop down. Time to do the stairs. I just messed up already. This is how I am supposed to be. As you could see, and I just said it first try. Did you see first try staircase? I've never done that before. Wrong block. I said blue. You said block. Doesn't mean you can. Oh. Ay! Boom! That's how you know I'm in the house. Well, I'm not in a house. I'm in the laboratory. Does it matter? No. Alright, time to build the underground organization. Underground. But guys, that's it for today's video. Because I can't record forever. And I have other things to do. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and yeah. I'm going to show you a few more clips. I said everything. And also, do you like my new avatar? I will change it back if you don't like it. If you do, I will keep it. Put it down in the comments. Because I really like this avatar. I name it the Devil. And I might disguise myself like Pickle Rick and scare everyone because everyone's scared of Pickle Rick. If you haven't heard of Pickle Rick, he's like a weird pickle from Rick and Morty. He has a face, he's like silly and awesome and